Right, we've got a bite. See if this rejects first. And we'll see if we want to take it or not. Oh, my bad. Right, so EU 3 pip spread, 3.4 pip stop. So 3.7, 1%. We need to open 54 lots on this bad boy if we're trading. Check out what rejections we get. I don't think you can post links on TikTok, can you? Not entered yet. Waiting for some rejection from that. That's coming up to 61.8 from that. Maybe that's a better level. Right, to be fair, we've got them 2 minutes of rejections. Just adjusting this. Two ticks above, TP. That's rejecting 78.6 to be fair. I reckon we can get an entry from that. 2.8 pip stop. Add the spread. I saw it hit 3 there, yeah. Let's call that a 3 tick spread. 2.8, 3.1 pips. 64.5 lots he wants me to open. Let's see. Let's go. New order. Euro, we'll go market. I need 32 lots, please. Straight down the pipe. Stop. Add 3 ticks. TP1. Add 3 ticks. Fill or kill. Bang. Right, let's get in. Let's make another. Market 32. Let's just not got the leverage. Too many lots, man. Too many lots. Let's try half. Market, sell, cool. Right, let's put our stops in quick. Stop. Modify. 3 ticks on. Modify that. Let's put a stop on that. Modify. TP2. Three ticks. Bang. Right, okay. Cool. We're in. Another entry. EU short. This is a really tight one. Really fucking tight, that. 2.8 pip stop. 28 ticks. See what happens. My win rate on this strategy is about 50%, so it's not like a super high win rate strategy, but you know, your TPs are like 4.6R, so you do the maths. Win half of them, lose half of them. You're making money. We have got some decent candlesticks here, to be fair. Spinning top, shooting star, inverted hammer, whatever you want to call them. Let me update the group. VIP group. Euro USD short. $1.03 194 1.03 222 TP1 1.03 098 TP2 1.03 065 risk to reward. What was it, 4.6? Still time for entry on that. Plenty of time. It's been strong on the 5 minute, but it's also been stronger on the 1 hour to go down. Yeah, we're looking for that bottom to get taken. We're still intra-London, so I'm not expecting a change of character just yet for at least another hour. So let's see. Selling off. Yeah, candlesticks here in our favour. Let's just get beneath that EMA. I am already in a short on EU on the 1 hour. I've been short since here. Now I'm stacking. So I've got 3 shorts from the 1 hour up here, and now I've just gone short again intraday on this 1 minute. So see if they line up. This is a super tight position, 2.8 pips. 2.8 pip stop. Nice. I mean, it's only the tick, but it's better than nothing, isn't it? Cool, that's closed. Selling off. Up about 2.5 bags. Refilling the order block. South. 100. So look on that 1 minute. Yeah. Valid. Whether it wins or not, that's valid. What are we saying? Almost 3k. Tasty. Yes, now, what we're saying, lads. I'm just getting used to the whole fucking YouTube streaming setup, to be fair. It's fucking weird. It's different. Yeah, Sonny, what's up? How we doing? Yeah, you're right, mate. You're right, it's not as good. I still see people streaming on TikTok trading. and you know they didn't get took down. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what like the fine line is. I kind of gathered that it might have been from people doing like crypto lives where they'll just like guys like TJR where they'll just find like a super low market cap coin and get like thousands of people to buy it and straight like manipulate the market on live. I don't know if that's why this has been introduced where you can't do it on TikTok and stuff. But then since then I see quite a few people doing live trading Forex. So I don't know what the fine line is. I don't know if it's because there was no disclaimer on there, but obviously the other people don't have disclaimers on either, so I don't know. Maybe if you lose money it's okay, but if they see you're making money, they don't want to they don't want you to share that with people. I've seen people do it, but they avoid showing the movement after the analysis. Right, okay, so I can't actually show that I'm in the live position. Yeah, we need to figure it out. We need to figure it out because it was good on TikTok. But yeah, this one's playing out. It's going to take time, innit? What I'm looking at on this is on EU. Let me show you my EU position. So here's on the top down. I'm already in from up here. We had this daily range, so this double top, this double bottom, that broke out to the downside. Then we had this, which was our substructure, so the first structural low beneath that break, came up, channeled up, broke beneath that. So after this break, this is my break of substructure, this is my bearish bias has begun, confirmed. Took it from these order blocks up here, aligned with the 78.6. That's like a 6.3R trade, 3 TPs. And then obviously intraday, we're seeing Asian high got swept, took that liquidity to the downside. And now the next session range is like Tokyo down here. Whether it'll take that or not, maybe not. Whether it just takes this liquidity, maybe so. Either way, we've got a valid trading range. Take that off. Making lower lows and lower highs. What I was looking at is my 50 EMA on the 2 minute, and then the view that I was looking at there is to just see it on the 1 minute. So I've put my 100 EMA on the 1 minute. We've got some previous resistance there. Was looking for it to coincide there as well. Had the rejections from the fib from the EMA, so we took an entry up here from the 78.6. That gives us a nice 4.6 R. And now we're just waiting for the sell-off. I'll go stop loss to be like down these equal lows, sorry. About there. We'll go stop loss to break even there. Currently up like 5 grand again today. So I made 5.5 grand yesterday. Currently floating 5k at the moment. This is a fresh Alpha Capital Group challenge. I was going to do like a little mini series passing this all on live. Working out well so far. About to go stop loss to BE as soon as that hits. Almost. Wait for it to properly tag that. Tell all the VIP lot SL to be coming. Coming soon. Time's 11:15, pretty decent time, not expecting any change of character. Hopefully just continue this move for like another 45 minutes. Yeah, if you could ask that guy about why you can't do this on TikTok Live and sort of what rules it is you're breaking so we can avoid them, then yeah, we'll get them back on TikTok. Right, that level's hit. I'm going SL to BE now, like that. Bosh, risk free. Let's change that there. So, what is our entry level from this? Let's get that there. Bosh. And then it's these two most recent trades, modify, stop loss. I'd be buying out of that, so I want 3 ticks above. Three ticks above, yes please. TP1 hit, yes, there we go, bosh. That's another 2.8k we've just made. Lovely stuff. TP1 hit. Let me take a little photo for the VIP group. So first of all, SL to be hit. Drop a little shield. Running risk free. Next up, TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Bosh. And then what was that? 3.43R. Fire. Cool. Right, so what are we up now? Total accounts on like 11k profit. First few days. See if this fucking hit TP2. If not, we're already at SL to BE. So this was a market execution trade, by the way. So my profit isn't actually all the way up here. The first position was, I think, or maybe that's just my free tick spread. But yeah, with this, I was thinking about entering on the 71. Didn't want to get ahead of myself because it was pretty bullish. So I was waiting to see extra confirmation. And then as soon as we saw like this wick and then this spike up, that's when we just put the market executions on rather than like a limit. But the limit would have actually retapped a couple times and gave us a bit more profit. I just was at that level at the time, so I did market execution. Those trades. So that's cool. Still up 3.5k live. 8.5k bagged. Now this might sweep liquidity off our TP1, retrace a bit, correct, and then come back down. Just gotta wait on that one. She's coming down to TP2. I think that's going to hit. Come on, you're on there. I might just manually close that, to be fair. Oh no, it's fucking bounced off it. Should I just close it? Bit too far now. What's it saying on the actual chart? Oh, it's actually not hit it on my chart. That's why it's my spread. Okay, still a little bit more to go. Where is that? Is that on the low? That's on that liquidity level. Sweeping liquidity right now. That's why it's so impulsive on the bounce back. Come back down, you little slag. Yeah, there you go. Bang. TP2 smashed. Smashed it. Made another 5k today. Lovely. On live. There you can see. There's my shorts. There's my 2 TPs. There's the numbers. All recorded. Bosh. Okay. And I'm in my EU short from the top still. Still running this on like a day trade. So I got in there on a big short. So that's actually pumping that one all the way back down there. Lovely. So on this challenge so far, we're up 12k on a 200k. So what's that, like 6%? 6% up in 3 days, this being the 3rd day. That's saucy. Cool. Alright, let me share that one with the boys. Get it on the screen properly. Boom. So what's that? 4.6. That's a 4.6. Cool. TP2 hit. Plus 4.6. RR. Fire. Cool. Right, it's 20 past 11. What time is it right now for you? I'm 7 hours ahead. So for me, it's 20 past 6. 20 past 11 in the UK. You're probably going to see the New York effect kick in about 40 minutes. So I don't know if I've got any opportunities left for the day. Oh, GU sold off nice as well. GU fucking dumped. That would have been a nice one. I was looking at GU to start with, but this price action just wasn't as clean as these highs and lows, so I opted for EU instead. But GU fucking melted off. It's a huge move compared to what happened on EU, sorry. But yeah, we got that pinpoint. Again, if anyone files a missing person report, tell them I'm in the fucking wick, because that's where I always enter from. Pinpoint, just like that. So, it's another 5k made today. Not too shabby. 100% win rate so far since doing lives. Since I've been live passing these challenges to show you. GJ opinions. I don't even look at GJ, bro. GJ. Fuck GJ. Too madness. Too much of a madness. It's one of those, like, anything yen, as long as it's trending and you get in on a decent entry on the trend, then yeah. But I just find it wicks you out like way too much to be reliable. So I don't trade yen. Don't trade yen pairs. So I'm not even gonna look, bro. It'll throw me off. Yeah, I personally would avoid trading UJ and GJ unless you're like swing trading with like a wide stop. But there's better pairs to trade than GJ. I've learnt my lessons there. They call it the Widowmaker. Anything yen, they call it the Widowmaker. Because it'll make you want to fucking kill yourself trading it, basically. So yeah, I like EU, GU, AUNU sometimes. You know, you've got the rawest spread. Like, look at the spreads, like EU, GU, U Swiss. Like, they're the majors you want to be trading. Whereas if I look at GJ, sorry, like your spread's wild as well. Like, that just went up to like a fucking 30 tick spread. So yeah, you can get stopped out, you can get spreaded out. Like, I just focus on the better pairs. Let me take off GJ. Cool. How do you determine the pairs you trade out? Curiosity. So yeah, based off that, so backtest your strategy across different pairs, see which one has the highest profitability, and then you'll notice from actually trading, like if I try this on GJ or UJ, what happens a lot is like it just wicks up and comes back down and swipes liquidity. Like the move and the idea was right, but in order to trade this on UJ or GJ, like you'd have to have such a wider stop, which just ruins your RR. So yeah, just backtest, mate. Just backtest, see what pairs it works best on, and then also you have to consider the spread as well. So like if you're trading on the fucking 1 minute time frame like this, trading on EU is nice because you've got like a 1 to 3 tick spread. Same with GU, whereas like you trade something like dollar CAD, you've got a 1 tick spread, which is going to eat into your profitability. So that is also another factor in terms of like what pairs should I trade. Very time frame dependent. If you're trading on the 1 minute, you don't want to have like a fucking 30 tick spread, for sure. But yeah, cool. I think that's me done for the day. To be fair, I've hit a 4.6 on the 1 minute, in and out within 25 minutes. 25 minutes, 4.6%, another 5k in the bag. Cool. Right. This should, now that it's on YouTube, it should automatically record and upload as a live. I think you've gone on someone's YouTube channel and click live, you can rewatch the old lives. So yeah, if you didn't catch this live, see you on there, and hope you had a good one and learnt a lot. So